lotus flower, more like booty flower.
Did y'all see that swagger I just did?
Nope. Yeah, I did. Pretty cool.
Dude, that was crazy.
For real though.
She thought she could poop.
Wait, how am I actually gonna get in car here?
Walking on air.
About time, dude. You've been stuck at this pre-drop for so long, I bet.
It's ready.
Die. Oh, never mind.
I might have just did it for practice. She thought she could steal. Bing, 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 bong.
Let me just disable respawn blink. Wait,
Oh,
what?
oh, he's going? Go? I'm gonna sit in this call until I beat how to platformer. Cool, don't care. I'm in practice mode. Because I don't feel like beating it legitimately. Oh, look at him go. Last 10%,
Wait,
come on.
he's actually beating Black Lizard. Wait,
Last
what?
10%, come on. You got this, bro. Last 10. Come on, last 5. Who's playing it?
You're actually beating Black Lizard?
No way.
Oh my god!
No
Oh my god!
No way!
Oh my god! Oh,
No way!
Oh my god!
No way.
oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!